Hi and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the F33 320D MSport Xdrive Saloon in Glacier Silver. The vehicle's a 2015 15 plate, comes with some very nice BMW optional extras, all of which I'll show you as we make our way around and of course into the inside of the car. Alongside that, we've added a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, and on this car we've opted to go for the satin kit. Alongside that, we've had the 19-inch 403M alloys professionally refurbished in gloss black. Sitting just behind the wheels, you'll see the MSport Plus brakes, and on this wonderful 320D, that does mean we've got the full MSport Plus package. It has the Angel Eye xenon headlamps, as you can see there, and we've had the mirror caps swapped out for the M3 Aero caps, as you can see there. Comes with the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Down the side of the car, you can see it's a very nicely kept vehicle, all very clean and tidy, and works very nicely with all of the additions we've made. The interior once again works nicely with the exterior colour, as it has got a full black Dakota leather. In the front comes with the electric lumbar and heated seat options. Does come equipped with an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and as I mentioned, also has that fantastic Xdrive system. Harman Kardon surround sound once more, thanks to that MSport Plus package. And in the rear we find a Isofix 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest, and of course all of the MSports come with that lovely darkened MSport headlining. Before heading round to the very rear of the car, again I want to show you just how well these alloys have been refurbished. Alongside that, they do come with premium mixed run flat tyres. There again you can see the very nice the satin rear spoiler and matching rear diffuser. It does also come with a rear facing reversing camera, and in the boot we've not only got a very nice size boot within this 320D, we've also got the split folding seat option, which is of course always a very sought after and very nice option to have. Round at the other side of the car, again you can see how well the Glacier Silver works and is all clean and tidy round at the driver's side. And we shall now go ahead, take a seat inside the car, and I'll run yourself through a couple of the car's interior features in a bit more detail, as there is some very nice options within the car. We've got power folding mirrors. We've also got the extended storage feature down here. Another nice feature for this car has been coded into it. As you can see there, once you open the door, you do get the Mperformance logo upon the unlock / opening of the doors. We'll start the car up, and as you can see, we've also got the professional wired navigation and media screen. Starting with the sat nav, as you can see there, that's a really user-friendly system. We've got both Bluetooth audio and telephone. We've got DAB along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including music collection, external devices for Bluetooth, USB and AUX of course, and we'll show you the rear facing reversing camera with both front and rear parking sensors as well. We've also got the high beam assist function over here, so this will toggle the low to high beam for you. The car's mileage is covered just over 100,000 miles, as you can see there. Despite that, hopefully throughout this video you've seen it is a very clean and tidy example, and does come equipped with some very nice optional extras. It does of course come with dual climate control, and I did mention that the front seats are heated, which especially coming that we are going into the colder months is something you're certainly going to want. And of course having that Xdrive 4-wheel drive system on board means that you can of course have that little bit of peace of mind should the weather turn for the worst. So thank you once again for taking the time to watch our walk around video of a fantastic spec F33 320D Xdrive. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and we'll look forward to seeing yourself soon. If you do want to get in touch, you'll find all of the website links and of course contact information down below. Again, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.